Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find General Management. Here we have to simply tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are right now set as automatic, so date, time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options, both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar, so just find the one and tap on done. The same with the time, just tap on it, and as you can see, you can simply swipe to change the hours and minutes. Tap on done. Here we've got the time zone, so just tap on it and tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So you can simply find yours and then tap on it, it will be immediately set. Here you can also decide what kind of clock format you'd like to use. So right now we've got the 24-hour one. If you wish to use 12-hour format, just turn off this option and it will be immediately applied. Unfortunately, we cannot change the date format. The time format is the only option to customize it. So this is the whole manual personalization, and if you wish to come back to previous settings, just tap on those switchers right here. And that's all. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.